welcome to my channel. I hope all of you all are well, taking care of yourself. And today the video is about unboxing of my product that I have ordered from Amazon. Well, I don't know what it is, but I have a hunch that this should be my DSLR vlogging camera. So let us see and let us go ahead by unboxing my product. Hang on. So you can see this? Yes. Okay, fine. And then they have a booklet over here. The booklet is a very thick booklet. You can see the booklet. I will never read this in my whole life, and I don't think if anyone will read this also. But this is the booklet over here. Anyway, there's a 32 GB memory card, and there's also one cable over here, and you have a belt that you get with this. You get a charging adapter over here, and along with this you also get 2 batteries. That's the best part. And then comes my product, yellow. Yeah. So that's it. It comes with this air bubble packet, and I hope you all can see this. And that's the camera. Yay! And now I am going to be a very professional YouTuber with this awesome DSLR point to shoot camera. It has a screen which can be flipped out, flip in and flip out. So that's a very awesome thing. So when I do my selfie with this, I can just pick this up and I can do my selfie. That's it. But yes, here in this camera, you cannot add any lens on this because it's a point and shoot camera. But you can zoom in and zoom out of this. And that's the beauty of this camera. It has a lens flash over here. This is the adjustment lens. This is the on-off. And this is what you have over here. So that's it, my friends. This is a product which I have ordered, and I hope I do a good vlogging on this. And my children always tell, it's logging, it's not vlogging, but I go as per the alphabet. But I say it's logging. Okay, fine. So we'll go further with this. Okay, friends. So as you can see this, and now I have on this, and you can see the camera. So this flip goes up like that, so I can do a selfie if I want. I already installed the battery over here. I can show you. I installed the battery and the 32 GB pin on this, and then this is the power on. This is the power on button which I have on it, and this is how I will shoot. So I don't know what it is because this doesn't move. I have to check what it is because this one doesn't move. I need to check what it is. So let me just see. This is the T written on this. The T, that is for zooming. When I do that, I can zoom this. And this is the W given. The W that you can see on this, the W is for giving a wide angle. But actually, I need to see what is the FHD in that. So now, as I told, no, I will not look into this book. But then I think I'll have to look into this book because that knob is not moving on. I think it should move on, but it is not moving on. And I need to see what it is. going through all of it is really a hell of a thing. But there's no mention of this knob. What is this knob for? Because normally they give every details on this. What it is? Flashpoint pop-up toggle. I think this is a mute button is here, but what is this for? I don't know. Okay, you got a USB cable over here to charge it to your PC. And what is this for? I really don't know. Okay, you can pop up the flash over here. There's a button over here, and if you press this button this side, you get a flash pop up over here. This was supposed to be with a microphone, because that's what I had ordered for, with a microphone. This should be a microphone, but I don't know now, because there's no microphone as such given here where I can input my microphone jack and I can use the microphone, because there's no microphone jack over here to push in this. So I'm not sure. I'll have to see what was this for, because the mobile that I ordered, normally it showed that it had a microphone jack over here, but this doesn't show a microphone jack. This is a Sony lens with CMOS, and because of the lens I had ordered this. But now let's see. I don't know. There's no microphone jack over here. Now my children will tell me, Dada, you order without checking what it is. Exactly, I need to check what it is. So let me keep this all now inside, and then I go home and I check what it is, or I check it later on. भाई इसमें ना ये जो पॉइंट है, ये जो घूम नहीं रहा है, ये पूरा टाइट है, नहीं घूम रहा है. क्यों नहीं घूम रहा है मुझे